Hi everyone, Tyler here, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept license agreement in Rocket League. Now, if you enjoyed today's video and it does help you, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help me achieve my dreams. Now, let's go ahead and jump right in. From the main menu in Rocket League, we'll go down to Settings on the left. Then we'll go ahead and hit R1, RB, or use our mouse to navigate over to the Extras section. Now from here, we'll go down to the Legal Agreements. We'll go ahead and hit A, X, or go ahead and click on the EULA, which stands for End User License Agreement. Go ahead and scroll through this and make sure you read the entire agreement, and then go ahead and hit OK. Next, we'll go to Terms of Service. Same thing, read the entire agreement, and then go ahead and hit OK. Next, go to the privacy policy. Make sure you read everything, hit OK. The SCT Act, make sure you read it and hit OK. The Payment Service Act, make sure you read it and hit OK. From there, we can go ahead and restart Rocket League if needed, but we've gone ahead and accepted the license agreements in Rocket League. Thanks so much for watching, and if this video did help, please consider subscribing and help me achieve my dreams.